Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Yeah, I know it's been a while. Man, let me tell you, real life, right? I know you all can feel me on that one, but hopefully I get some of this stuff out. You know, Same old story. I just get tired and I go to bed at nighttime now, but nevertheless, this one I did I want to say around September and I just never got out to posting it. So I'm going to try to tell you the colors as I go here. I'm going off memory. That's scary, right? First color was Golden Azo Gold, followed by TLP Macaw, I believe. It's kind of like if I remember correctly, like a yellow, bluish, maybe green. I don't know. Like it's a duo interference color. Golden Teal was the next one. This color is TLP Sea Glass. I'm also going to throw in a golden phthalo turquoise color. Um, yeah, so I mean, with whenever it's like a phthalo turquoise or some of my fluid acrylics, honestly, I just put so many drops of it in until I like it, or I like the color of it, shall I say? But yeah, phthalo turquoise. And tonight I'm actually going to use a white cell activator. I know I typically don't use white very often just because, I don't know, sometimes it just can be tricky. I don't know, maybe it's just Amsterdam white. I've never tried golden titanium white with this uh, bloom technique. So, one thing I will add on this that, yeah, I didn't really do before is for me, whenever I pour the puddle out, if I don't constantly try to rub my finger at the edge of it, it'll dry and make like a little bit of a ring. So yeah, there is that. Past that, yes, I covered all my sides. Here's my white cell activator. Again, here comes the fun part, right? It's trying to blow it out. So right now I'm trying to get a bigger puddle of my cell activator to come in with this hand or this blow dryer, I guess if you want to call it that. Not that I don't think it would blow much of a hair, right? But gonna come in with it. Again, I'm not very good with the blow dryer. I don't use that every day. I mean, honestly, I think in the past 20 years, I've probably only used it whenever I'm doing paintings because yeah, I don't have that much hair that requires a blow dryer. So again, sorry. Obviously, you can tell I don't need much of a blow dryer right there. Um, what I'm doing right now is I'm coming in with little puddles of the white cell activator that's bunched up. I'm trying to break it up by just blowing on it just slightly. Again, a lot of people do this with straws or just whatever they can use. I know that with the world's smallest leaf blower or whatever it is, people can use that because it doesn't put off as much strength as some other utensils or devices. But yeah, I'm just coming in here, blowing on the parts that you see where the cell activator has just bunched up. Because if it dries or tries to dry like that, more than likely it's going to crack. So it's always good to try to spread it out. I'm really liking. I mean, I'm kind of sad on this one side. I didn't get very much of the yellow or the Azo Gold underneath it, like these two corners right here. Hopefully, whenever I spin it out, it'll open up a little bit more and show through. Again, sorry for the angle. Yeah. Again, for me, one of the hardest things is judging how much cell activator to actually put down. So it's never, it can be this much for one and this so much for another one, but it's never the same. I mean, it really is dependent on like the consistency of your paints and everything like that. If you practice this a lot, then you can pretty much eyeball a lot of it and just roll with it. I mean, really, the only thing I still to this day measure out is my cell activator. I'm just very paranoid about that because that's the one thing that can really screw up this technique. So I don't mess with that. As far as like the the pouring medium and everything like that, that's all adjustable. That's easy peasy in my opinion. Again, after the spin out, you can see that, on half of it, for the most part, I did get some of that yellow, oranges from the nickel Azo Gold coming through the other colors, and I really like that. I mean, for the most part, I'm gonna say it's pretty much done. Hopefully it'll dry good. I mean, towards the bottom side, you can kind of see a lot of the white. Hopefully that just kind of blends in and gives you kind of like a beachy feel or something like that. Or I don't know. And with these, I will say when you're spinning them, if you got a lot of paint on there and everything, if you spin it hard, it could mess up the cells. So here's a close-up of it. This isn't dry. This is just a difference of lighting. I can see the sea glass and everything like that coming through. It's really hard for you to see the interference color on this. Sadly, videos just don't do some of the interference colors justice. Just different angles looking at it. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like with varnish on it here right past this. And I'm not really sure why I chose to do varnish on this one instead of resin. I just want to, I don't know, resin can be such a pain, and look there, I like those tiny cells. You can see like the nickel Azo Gold coming through ever so slightly in those tiny cells. And I mean, this is the little parts that I went in and broke up the cell activator that you're seeing in some areas. And that's why you do it, because once you spin it out, it opens up, and it can be something really great after it does open, even though it can be so small at first. So again, here we are. Next year, after I get to this video, it's a close-up. Here we go. Has varnish all over it. It's an 8x8, I believe. I mean, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to with the varnish and everything like that. So again, I want to say thank you for watching. I know I've been but I've been absent here lately. But I'm really going to try to get back on with it. I thought work would slow down. Apparently I was wrong on that. But again, I don't know which way I would hang this. It's I kind of like it like this, but maybe, I don't know, maybe you like it like that, or to each of their own. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Take care.